As the faithful navigator, the Sir Knights of your assembly have made a public statement of their faith and confidence in your integrity, honesty, and leadership as a Catholic man and citizen of this great country. It is your duty to preside at all meetings of your assembly, to enforce the laws and rules governing the fourth degree, and abide by the current Color Corps drill manual in the conduct of your assembly's Color Corps. It is your preliminary and other decisions as presiding officers. You will be just and impartial. Guide your assembly to always be religiously devoted and patriotically proud, in fact as well as in name. Follow the principles of charity, unity, fraternity, and patriotism. And keep in mind at all times that the good of the order always comes before the interest of an individual member. You, worthy Sir Knight, are to be congratulated. As master of this district, I encourage you to promote recruitment of new members to your assembly and to conduct visible patriotic programs for the benefit of all members. Congratulations. If an individual officer wants to put their own jewel on, just let me know. I'm okay with that. I don't care how we do it.